Hello students, good morning to all of you. Students, I have already explained about the concept of acid and base in previous video. Today, I am here to discuss the most important topic, pH. What do you mean by pH? Actually, pH is derived from German word that is potenz. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of potenz? Potenz means power. Okay. So, it is also known as power of hydrogen. What do you mean by pH? pH is derived from a German word potenz, means power. So, it is also known as power of hydrogen. Okay. Now, what is the definition of pH? pH is, it is the negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ion. Mathematically, it can be written as pH is equal to minus log H plus ion. Okay. Now here it is in class 10th, it is not necessary. But in higher classes, you will study about this pH. You will learn the numerical on the basis of this formula. Just I am giving you the example that what will be the pH of, what is the pH of the solution which have 10 to the power minus 2 m H plus concentration. Now according to this formula you can obtain that pH is equal to minus log H plus ion, that will be minus log 10 to the power minus 2, that will be minus, and 2 log 10. Log 10 is equal to 1, hence minus 2 into 1, that will be 2 pH. So the pH will be 2. How? The log m to the power n is equal to n log m. This will keep in mind. Okay? You will keep in mind. So the pH will be 2. Now here in class 10th it is not necessary, but you have to keep in mind that it is the negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ion. It is clear? Now another most important thing is pH scale. pH scale. What is pH scale? pH scale represents the nature of solution, either whether it is basic solution, acidic solution or neutral solution. First of all, this scale is made by Sorensen. So it is also known as Sorensen scale. Here on this scale the pH is given 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, here it is 14. Okay, it is clear. Now next one is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Now if the pH of the solution is 7, then it is called neutral solution. If the pH neutral solution, example H2O and carbon monoxide, nitric oxide, these are the example of neutral solution. And if the pH is more than 7, then basic strength increases. Okay, and here acidic strength increases. Okay, so if the pH is equal to 7, neutral solution will be there. If pH is less than 7, then acidic solution will be there. If the pH is greater than 7, then basic solution will be there. Okay, you will keep in mind. And one thing you have to keep in mind, that if the concentration of H plus ion is decreased, then the basic strength will increase, and if the concentration of H plus ion will increase, okay, then the acidic strength will increase. Okay, now I am giving you the example. A substance A have pH 4, another substance B have pH 5. What will be which one is more acidic? So obviously substance A will be more acidic. Okay, it is clear. So A will be acidic. Now another thing, in case of base, if the substance A has pH 10, another B has pH 11, which one is more basic? Obviously the basic strength will increase when we go from left to right in the pH scale. So obviously B will more basic than A. Okay, it is clear. Now most important thing, how will you understand the pH of the salt solution? Another is, how will you understand the pH of the salt solution? Suppose you have given that NaCl. What will be the pH of that NaCl? Now first you have to do that NaCl will dissolve in water, corresponding acid and base will be formed. What acid? HCl and NaOH will be formed. Now you have to keep in mind three things. One, in case of a strong acid and a strong base, then the pH will be 7. What will be the pH? 7. Now another, or weak acid and weak base, then the pH will be also 7. Third case, that a strong acid and weak base, the pH will be less than 7. Okay, because it is acidic. And fourth is weak acid and a strong base, then the pH will be what? That will be basic. And if the basic solution, then the pH will be greater than 7. Okay, these are the 4 conditions you have to keep in mind. So in case of what will be the pH of that solution? The pH of that solution, let us see what will be the nature of HCl and NaOH. HCl, a strong acid, NaOH, a strong base. In this case, concentration of H plus ion is concentration of OH minus ion. That will be 7, and the solution will be neutral. It is clear? Another example you can take, suppose CH3COONA. CH3COO. What we have to do? We have to dissolve the salt in water and to get the corresponding acid and base. Corresponding acid will be CH3COOH plus NaOH. Okay, CH3COH is weak acid, NaOH is a strong base. So the solution will be basic. As a result, pH will be greater than 7. pH will be greater than 7. Okay, it is clear. Now another is CH3COONH4. What is the name? This name is sodium acetate, and its name is ammonium acetate. Now what we have to do, first of all, we will write the reaction between water. So what will be the corresponding acid? CH3COOH plus NH4OH. Okay, it is clear. So let us see the condition. CH3COH is weak acid and NH4OH is weak base. So in this case also, what H plus ion concentration is equal to the OH minus concentration, hence pH will be 7. It is clear. Now neutral solution, basic solution. Let us see the example of suppose CH MgCl2. Okay, Now another is MgCl2. MgCl2. Now what will be the pH of that solution? Again you have to write MgCl2 plus H2O. What will form? बोलिए HCl, 2HCl. It is clear? 2HCl plus what? MgOH whole twice. Let us see the nature of that acid and base. HCl is strong acid, here weak base. So the solution will be acidic and the pH will be less than 7. In this way you can understand the pH of that solution. Okay, now I am giving you the homework you can do and identify what will be the pH of that solution. First is CaCl2, another is KCl, another is CH3, COO, NH4, another is MgCl2, another is 5AlCl3. Okay boys, thank you very much. I will see you again. Thank you.